This is GappaMagix, November 20th, 2025. I'm at the other location where I gifted the Bigfoot before. I just realized something, that there's a road or a highway somewhere over there. I was standing here just watching cars go up and down that hill. I'm gonna pause it, or have you see a car travel. That way you know I don't lie. Here comes one. You can hear him. See? So alright, I'm gonna pause it now until I go to the spot where I'm about to gift some apples and some cherries that I picked, and I'm gonna put them in the same spot where I put that paper plate and folded it in half and stuck it under that side of that log. So I'm gonna pause it right now. I'm gonna try to do this quick because on the ride here I saw people walking. I don't know if they're on their way to this entrance of the state park, but I'm gonna pause it again here. It's getting dark. It's about 5:05 p.m. Before we go over there, I'm gonna turn my light on the camera and see if I can see these prints again over here. And to be honest, I mean, this looks like someone or something just started scraping on this tree. That's just my opinion. But anyway, it did rain and a whole bunch more leaves fell and stuff, but that print is around here somewhere. Well, to be honest, I'm gonna turn my light off because there's a house around here that could see me. But you saw the print. I'm not sure exactly where it is anymore. But this is the spot where I tossed the bag of burger patties, and oh my god, I just see that. I'm gonna go down here once. Actually, I better not go too far, but it's a little muddy. It did just rain, but that looks like 2 ways to climb in and out. I don't even know what to say anymore. And anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to go down here. It's a small slope. I'm gonna go down here and put this bag of apples and berries. There has to be prints right around here. Is it like, I want to say 10 or 20 feet down. And anyway, that's not a deer track right there. That's something grabbing and slipping. And what's that? See that? I'll be frank about this. That's not from a deer. I highly doubt it. Neither is that. Anyway, there's people coming now, so I'm just gonna act like I'm doing nothing right there. I'm gonna pause it. I was right when I said that people was about to come down this way. I'm looking over here now once, just to look, see what it looks like over here. What's that? That's the indentation from something putting weight right there. Okay, there they go. Now the house is up there. I don't want to let none of these houses see it. There is a couple houses that are right around the spot. I'm actually going to put it. I'm going to have to put it somewhere else. I'm going to pause it. I found a spot to put my bag of apples and cherries right here. That is if I can take it out of my hoodie pouch. I have to put the phone down for a second. Well, a couple of them fell out. But I wasn't on that way to get released if it's out here. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna hide it right here. And if it takes it, it does. Odds are they may not see it. So I put it right here like this, and then it'll be took. Because it's hung right there. It needs to be taken off of there, and it can't be seen really from the trail. It's not that far away from the trail either though, but it's a spot where I know where it is. So this is GappaMagix, Thursday, November 20th, 2025. I'm signing off. Oh. That could have been a lot painful if I would have not stepped on that stick and actually had it like dig into my lower leg. That could have hurt. And anyway, we're gonna go actually look over at that spot where I gifted it, the other item. Let me get there. I'm gonna pause it till I get there. Okay, this is the spot where I gifted it, the other item, over here. Down farther. My stick's still put there, and to be honest, I'm gonna look. There's a little bit more light right now than there was the other day. Oh my god, I know it. What is that? That's an indentation, and I don't care what anyone says. It looks like toes right there. And this is right where that stick is that I put it right there. The gift of 3/4 ribeye and some mashed potatoes and gravy. Take a good look. Tell me what you think. Signing off. Yes, sir.